Hello everyone, I'm 11 from Tianjin, Canada. Today, I would like to share with you how to make a cute yellow kitten with our diamond epoxy resin. Here is a list of materials and tools we need: epoxy resin, hardener, the silicone mold, the pigments, the mixing cup, the mixing rod, and the electronic scale, and the nitrile gloves. Please pay attention to the mix ratio when making handicraft like this. Only 3:1 or 2:1 fast dry tap is recommended because the resin a 1:1 mix ratio can only be used as a thin coating. Okay, then let's start. Step 1. Mix the epoxy resin, pigment, and hardener in the mixing cup. It should be carried out in the order as below. First, pour 150 grams of epoxy resin into the cup. Then, add pigment. You can add as many pigments as you want. Then, mix them properly and thoroughly. According to the mix ratio of 3:1, pour 50 grams of hardener into the cup and mix again. Leave it aside for about 2 to 3 minutes, then pour the mixed liquid into the mold. After that, all what we need to do is just wait for its curing. Normally, the surface dry can be reached in about 6 to 8 hours. It takes about 24 to 48 hours to dry completely. Through these simple steps, we got a beautiful yellow kitten. You can choose all kinds of silicone molds and pigments according to your own needs. Give full play to your imagination and make your own handicrafts. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.